Hello friends, welcome to KK Car Reviewer. The Suzuki Hayabusa. A name that echoes through the motorcycle world as a legend. For over 2 decades, this machine has been the benchmark for speed, power, and engineering excellence. It's not just a sport bike, it's a statement, one that commands respect on the road and the track. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the Hayabusa's design demands attention. The sleek, sculpted body isn't just for looks, it's built for aerodynamic efficiency. Every curve, every line is engineered to cut through the wind with precision, reducing drag and enhancing stability at high speeds. And those signature LED headlights, they give it an unmistakable presence, whether it's flying down the highway or parked in the garage. But the real magic of the Hayabusa lies beneath the fairings. At the heart of this beast is a 1,340 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, a powerhouse that delivers a staggering 187 horsepower. Twist the throttle, and you're met with an instant surge of torque, pushing you forward with relentless force. The refined fuel injection system ensures crisp throttle response, making acceleration not just fast, but smooth and controlled. It's an experience that riders describe as electrifying, pure, raw power, tamed only by the skill of the one in control. And let's talk about performance. The Hayabusa isn't just about straight line speed. Suzuki has fine-tuned every aspect of its handling, giving it a chassis that balances stability with agility. The lightweight aluminum frame, coupled with its advanced suspension setup, provides razor-sharp cornering while maintaining confidence-inspiring stability at high speeds. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or dominating the drag strip, this bike is built to perform. Of course, no modern superbike is complete without cutting-edge technology, and the Hayabusa doesn't disappoint. Suzuki's intelligent ride system offers multiple riding modes, allowing you to tailor the bike's power delivery and traction control to suit your style and road conditions. The bidirectional quick shifter makes gear changes seamless, letting you focus on the ride without losing momentum. And with features like cruise control, launch control, and an advanced ABS system, it's a machine that blends brute force with precision engineering. But performance isn't everything. The Hayabusa is designed for long-distance comfort, too. The ergonomic seating position keeps you planted yet relaxed, making it an excellent choice for extended rides. The adjustable suspension ensures a smooth experience, even on rougher roads, and the intuitive TFT display keeps you connected with all the essential ride data at a glance. It's a sport bike that doesn't just thrill, it keeps you comfortable while doing it. Owning a Hayabusa isn't just about having a fast bike. It's about being part of a legacy. A legacy of speed, of dominance, of pushing the limits of what a motorcycle can do. It's a machine built for those who crave power, precision, and prestige. If you're as obsessed with motorcycles as we are, make sure to hit that like button, drop a comment below, and subscribe for more in-depth looks at the most iconic bikes in the world. And if you've ever had the chance to ride a Hayabusa, we want to hear about it. Tell us your experience in the comments. This is more than just a motorcycle. This is the Suzuki Hayabusa.